All right, so we have a question here, page 740, integrate math 2, right? So here are some more to try. Use the right trial, trigonometric ratio, or the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the variable. You have this problem number 1 with the segments given right here. This problem number 1, 4, 3, 6, 8. So to do these problems, break them into, they're asking solve for the variable. Break them into rectangles, squares, triangles, rectangles and squares. They're powerful because, see, if I draw a line here and make this rectangle, if I draw a perpendicular line, it's a line that approaches, cuts the segments right across like this one and makes a 90-degree angle. So see, this is geometry. If you have this rectangle, this quadratic, 1, 2, 3, 3 angles is equal to 90. Therefore, fourth one is 90. There are geometric reasons. Just take it as it is. The reason is quickly, if I want to measure total angles in a rectangle is 360 degrees. And if you have 390s, that's 270. If you subtract from 360, the fourth one is going to be 90 also. So if that's 90, so it's a rectangle. If that's 4, this is 4. If this is 3, this part is 3, right? Now, that's 3, but I know this whole thing is 6. Therefore, this little one is 3, okay? So how we do that triangle now, we have Pythagorean theorem, and then this is 4, that's 3, that's A. What is it? You can use Pythagorean theorem to find it. Even though this special kind of triangle is called 3, 4, 5. When you have a right triangle, one segment is 3, the other is 4, and then third one is going to be 5. It's called 3, 4, 5. So, but if you don't know it, set up this Pythagorean theorem. A squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. A squared is equal to 9 plus 16. So A squared is equal to 25. Therefore, A is equal to 5, right? So that's one problem. Let's do the second one. And then we have, it's problem number 7. And it is like this. 4, 10, 10 here. And then that's also 90 degrees like that. I'm trying to make it as good as possible, but it's kind of, oh. So it is something like this. So we have 5, and that's B, and this is A. All right, so, and we know this is 10, as in that's 90 degree here, perpendicular. That's also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. So 3 90-degree angles. All right, let's do this problem. So if this is 10, and this is 10, and this is 4, if, again, as I said on earlier problem, you can break them into rectangles and triangles. So if you draw a perpendicular line to the segments, so you're going to make a 90-degree angle, therefore the shape is going to be a rectangle. So if this is 4, this little one is 4. So we know that this whole thing is 10. Therefore, this part of this triangle, so let me color it yellow, highlighted. So this one is going to be how much? 6. Because, so you subtract from 10, you get 6. Now we can find this one using Pythagorean theorem. And then you can use again 3, 4, 5 ratios. 3, 4, 5, like the previous one. But instead you have 6 and 10. So you have 6 and 10. See, you have twice as much as 3 and you have twice as much as 5. Therefore, the unknown, which is this blue one, is going to be twice as much as 4. That should be 8 then. So if you don't know this, you can use Pythagorean theorem. You can say 10 squared is this one is equal to 6 squared, which is this one, 6 squared plus A squared. Now this is A, right? And it's a rectangle, therefore this is A. And right now it's unknown, so plus A squared. And if you solve this, you will see that's 100 equal to 36 plus A squared. If you solve A squared, it's going to be 64. A is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8. So we got A equal to 8. So I explained the two methods how to find it, right? That's 8. So this is 8. Now you can use again Pythagorean theorem to find this one. B, right? This triangle. Again, that's right triangle. Again, you can use 3, 4, 5. I see the numbers there. You have B, you have 5, and 8. No, probably not. So B, 5 and 8. So anyway, if I don't have special tripod triangle at 3, 4, 5, which I don't have in this case, I'm just going to use Pythagorean theorem. Or even if you don't know what is that rule, just use Pythagorean theorem. So it's going to be, this is 8 is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So it's going to be 8 squared is equal to 5 squared plus B squared. See, 5 squared is this one. B squared, that one I'm talking about, 8 squared, which I found it from doing this first section of the part. So that's going to be 64 is equal to 25 plus B squared. That's squared. B squared. So let's scroll down. So subtract 25, subtract 25. So B squared is equal to, that's 65 and 25, 40, so 39. Therefore, B is equal to rad 39, and we're done. We found A and B.